How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm coming to you with a little quick update on the motorcycle group build hosted by Cliff at GI Scale Mechanics, or GI Mechanics Scale Modeling, however you want to say it. Y'all know the guy, and I'll put a description in the box below. But old Cliffy boy. And before I show you what I've gotten done on the motorcycle build, I'm going to show you a stash ad that my son got me for my birthday. He had ordered it and it finally come in for me. And then I've been to the antique shop, flea market things, and I struck again. So I'll show y'all again here in just a second. But this is what my son bought me. This was for my birthday. He ordered that a while back and it finally come in. Yeah, better late than never. There it is. It's the Fiat Abarth Rally. It's a 131, and it's in that race livery. I've got the Italian Air or whatever livery. I already got one of these built, but this is the brand new one that just come out. Just different decals and stuff, and it's an awesome kit. I've been wanting that, and he got me that for my birthday, and it's 120 scale, so it'll be pretty good size built. Thanks to my son Chris, thank you. And then I was at an antique shop, and I found me two Aurora kits from about 1964 or so. And the first one is the Undertaker Dragster Carl Casper. You can see right there, it says 1964 Aurora. You can see the kit. Got that one. And then I got this one here from 1964. It's the Aurora Ferrari Berlinetta. It's the 250 GTO, I think is what it actually is. Or I don't know if there's a difference between 250 GTO and Berlinetta. It might be the same car, but I know it's the original issue. I got both those. I know y'all probably tired of seeing that, but that is what it is. If y'all just go check them out, you'll eventually find you something. No matter how many times you look, it might not be nothing, but there's always that time that there is something. Those places change vendors all the time, like I keep saying. I mean, you know, I know that's how it is here in Arkansas, and I'm sure it is everywhere else. Usually when you go in a place like that, they got booths and vendors and stuff, so you know, you might strike out 100 times, but the 101 time you'll get something. Alright, well, I'm going to shut up, turn this around, and show you what I've gotten done on the motorcycle. Alright, this is a motorcycle I'm building. It's the Honda 750 CBR Honda Road Racer, raced by Dick Mann, Daytona winner, I think 1969-70, somewhere around in there. It's MPC 1/8 scale, and it's a beast of a kit, but I'm getting her together. Alright, this is what I've gotten done so far. It's just about ready to be buttoned up and be done. The decals were terrible. I put microsaw, microset. I can't straighten them out. I've tried and tried and tried. Finally, it's the point that the decals are just, they're breaking on me. I had to finally just give up on the decals. Other than that, it's actually going together pretty decent. I've custom made this front fender, and it's going to look pretty good when I get done with it, other than the decals, but you know, it is what it is. There's not much else I can do for it. And kind of give you an idea what it's going to look like once it gets together. Still got that and the windshield to go, and I got to work all weekend, so it'll be after the weekend before I can ever get it put together, but that's where we're at right now. And then once I get this one done, I'll start on the finish it in February build. And then after that, I got the Rat Fink build from Brent I got to get going. Alright, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.